For this video, I'm using YOLISSA Hair. It's supposed to be good, affordable hair that I just heard a lot of good things about. I got the deep curly in a 20, 22, and a 24. And just initially running my fingers through this hair, I noticed a lot of shedding. I noticed it was dry and it had a strong chemical smell, but I still decided to go forth with the bleaching process. I'm just gonna give my honest opinion about this hair. This is the 24-inch bundle that I'm getting ready to bleach, and this bundle did not take bleach well. This took it the worst. As a matter of fact, after one bleaching, it went completely straight and it was fried. I could not run my fingers through it at all. I had to throw it in the trash. The other two bundles, the curl pattern did not hold up well to the bleach, but it didn't fry. It was still a little soft after I did a treatment on the hair. But overall, I don't know if I got 3 bad bundles. It was just not good hair. So basically here, I'm just mixing the powder and developer together. I'm using 1 part powder, 2 parts developer. I did use a 50 volume developer because I did not want to bleach more than 1 time. Initially, this was going to be a tutorial on how to achieve bright red hair, but after seeing how these bundles took to the bleach, I decided to make that a separate video, not using bleach. So I know I'm fidgeting and moving around all kinds of crazy ways in this video, but listen, it was 3 o'clock in the morning and your girl back was hurting, so it is what it is. So basically here I'm just adding developer to the bundles and letting them sit for 45 more minutes, and these are the end results when they're wet. As you can see, the lightest one is the 24. It's the one that lifts the most, and it's also the one that got fried and I had to throw in the trash. So these are the results when it is dry. The other 2 bundles are okay. I'm gonna boil it and give it another treatment. But as far as that, the hair was not good quality hair, and that's just my honest opinion.